All right, it's moving day for the chickens. So they're graduating into the maternity ward. I just set up their feed, light, water, and transported them outside in this little tomato box. So they're getting big. We're feeling better, and it's time to put them in their home until we can put them out there in the field and let them fertilize the field. Looks like the water is going to be low enough for them to get a drink, but I don't think they can get in this feed. So that's no problem. I brought some bricks just in case. I wasn't sure how tall they were going to be. So I'm going to set this feed right here on the bricks. Make sure they know where the light's at. All right. And this will be their home for a little bit. All right. Slight modification. I put the heat lamp a little closer to them, a little more centralized, and they're still kind of huddled up, so they can make sure they're going to stay warm enough. So this is their first experience outside. So I think it was too high up the first time. We have nails up here on these rafters that we can clip it to, but Shane's made this little pull down piece of wood that we can put that heat lamp real close to them. So I'll just keep checking on them and make sure they're warm enough. Till next time. Bye.
Did you know we have a small business? Be sure to check out our website at mimiandpoppy'splace.com. Mimi and Poppy's Place, where we understand your skin's story.